Ha. I know you see it was good, girl. For me, I see you over there looking all good. You know what I'm saying? I know you like the little fit or whatever. You know, I'll be looking fly or whatever. For me, what I'm saying, all that. Let me get your number. Ha. You see it? Okay, in all seriousness, what's good, guys? It's your boy back with another video, man. I know what you're thinking, Ian. It's been forever since I posted. I just want to state for the record, it's going to be the first time I'm saying this. I mean, I say it to everybody. Say it in my comment sections. If you want more videos, leave a comment. That's all I'm saying. I need you guys to be interactive. I need you guys to be social so the algorithm could get, And then I also like talking to you guys in the comment section. That's all I be saying. Leave a comment, leave a comment, leave a comment. Check under all my videos. I might have a little screenshot of me saying, I just need y'all to interact. Y'all be viewing my stuff. Y'all be liking it. Y'all don't be leaving no comments. Y'all don't even gotta share it. Y'all don't even gotta subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. Just leave a comment for your boy. Have something for me to talk about. Say something controversial so we can start up an argument in the comments. Bro, I love that shit. I love talking to y'all. So, stop playing with me, because you talking real spicy, my G. Like, you talking real spicy. That's word of my mother. Word of my mother. What's good, guys? Post-editing Ian here, and I'm going to be providing a little background voiceover just for some context, because a lot of this stuff, the audio wasn't too, let's say, comprehensible. But I just want to state for the record, this build was not easy in the slightest. There was a lot of stress involved. It took us 7 hours to build it, and my friend literally almost had 3 mental breakdowns. Like, it was pretty bad. And it's crazy because she was looking forward to it. But, this whole day, when we picked her up from work, she was talking all spicy, just talking mad junk. I picked you up, got food. Of course, she ain't eat any food. But yeah, she was talking mad spicy the whole day. So, feel me, I was just like, yo, you're not about to keep talking to me like that. So, I had to address the issue. And you're gonna see that in this, clip snippet right here. What the fuck?
I hit women, by the way.
Get into it.
What? Yeah, so right here, we're mounting the SSD, and we literally took out the whole HDD compartment. And as you can see here was the power supply. I have a 1300 watt, so I should be good for a little bit, even if I want to upgrade some components. So that was pretty cool, and that's the layout of what it looks like.
Labeled on this board.
For the fan, it looks like you're pulling two.
No.
That one where your finger is? Which fan is it?
Yes.
Is it supposed to have a number next to it? It's the top one, but it doesn't.
How do I know which port is which? Because they have to be. You said it has to be connected to a specific thing, right?
It's the top. So that was a little sample of what was going on. There's a lot of feeling out everything, and like I said, we were doing this for 7 hours, so it was real stressful. It's your favorite light now? Alright guys, so here's the part where I do a little price breakdown of me assembling the PC. Total, I spent about $1,495.61. Keep in mind that's not including the tax. If I were to roughly estimate the tax, probably be 150 more bucks, because a lot of these things were bigger priced, and higher the price, the higher the tax. For me, I was just real precise about certain things. I decided to get a Cat 7 Ethernet cable because the speed is ridiculous. But again, it could be interchangeable. You could do whatever you want for those smaller things, but I was just real precise about wanting a fast and punchy computer. Here's what I got. Remember to leave a comment, tell me what you think of my specs, and yeah.
Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?